Hey guys, Alik, Nature with Alik. Unbelievable, I just got back yesterday from a nice and sunny and warm Florida back to my beautiful orchard, and it's 55 degrees right now Fahrenheit, which is transferred to 13 Celsius. Cold, rain, storm. It's getting crazy. We're over in first day we're over 4 inches of rain. I'm afraid to say snow, but it's getting really cold right now. But very happy that my plants are all standing nice, and hopefully they will stay for a long time during the Santa Ana wind as well. We did reinforce everything as I showed you guys before. Okay, I'm just trying to get through the wind right now. As you can see, the first plant that fell down, we actually provide a nice, good, strong support on all the sides of the frame, so it's gonna stay for a long time. Nice, and put some hinges as well, so it's gonna be really good. I'm very happy. The rest of the plants, wherever the frame, original frame from 5 years ago, was already leaning towards the most branches side, so we did put support as well. So like on this side, you can see on this one, the dark star, we put support, and we're gonna work on all the plants. Oh my God, it's getting really heavy right now. The fiber optic, I painted fiber optic pipes, and we nailed them down at least 2.5 feet down to the soil. Soil is now soft after the rain, and we attached all of them to prevent from falling down during the Santa Ana wind. So right now it's another heavy rain is coming. I'm just going to show you the benefits of the weed barrier. As you can see, this is just a 1 week difference. Okay, I left to Florida 1 week ago with all soil over here, but now within the week, see how much green weeds already growing to my neighbors, and everybody who didn't cover their soil definitely will have this big problem right now with the weeds. They're gonna grow, definitely needs to be cut or put some chemicals to spray, but that's a lot. People dealing right now with acres and acres of the weeds to handle. Okay, but so far so good. I got customers coming already, people visiting their families during the Christmas time, and they grabbed some fruit today for their family. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys during the beautiful day today. I know you're probably sitting in a nice warm house, unwrapping your gifts, Christmas gifts, and having good time with the family. But farmer's life never stops. I told you, yeah. I run and I just check on the plants and meet with people who are traveling and trying to visit my orchard as well. So I'm very happy for you guys to come to my orchard during this time and sharing the fruit even. Yeah, so we harvest some fruit right now. He got he took for the family, and I have some fuel like left. Here's the Martin variety over here, and we harvested the San Ignacio. I see some sugar dragon. Yeah, probably gonna take seed. The sugar dragon on top. I'm gonna take few fruit to my friends right now, and we'll enjoy a little Christmas meal right now with my friends as well, because I didn't get chance for the late arrival last night. Okay, so look at this. The Robles red. Yeah, this one split open. Nice flies eating. Okay, look at this, guys. More Robles red. It's very tasty fruit. You definitely need to have it in your orchard. Growing very fast, very productive, very sweet. And I just did the tasting probably like 2-3 weeks ago. I posted the video about the Robles red and Israeli yellow variety and DK16, Desert King 16. Very sweet. All of them give over 20 brick scores. So that's a great opportunity to have these plants in your backyard. So far so good. Plants are surviving and still producing, as you can see. Look at this, a big fruit everywhere. Like probably it's not many, but it definitely takes time for them to mature. This is the Lisa over here. Lisa, I have at least 5 to 10 fruit that's still trying to be get maturity during this cold time. Look at this. This one now probably gonna harvest right now. and take to my friends as well. And that's another one, physical graffiti over here. Boom. So happy to share this with you. And we still have a lot of work to do. So this is all plans that we start to relocate before the rain, but still a lot to work. All this pile on the back with the plants that are still waiting to be separated and aligned here over at my place. And I probably need to build a big metal greenhouse. It's a lot of work, guys, lots of investments. So we'll see how much I can squeeze during the winter time, with this hard period until probably April, May. We don't have much money coming into the business. So that's going to be a second part of the video, the farming part. You know exactly. I told you, why the fruit is so expensive. We had the first part, which is like paperwork, organizational part, and everything, how to establish the licensing and permits and more requirements from the government to get the nursery license. And the second part, actually, to build this place. And we're going to be talking about the distribution of the fruit as well, the farmers market papers, and how to make it through. So there's a lot of videos to go through. So please guys, subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important for me. So I can have I'm almost there. I need a couple more 100 hours of viewing hours, so I can click the button to submit for monetization. So I want to see if anything will come from the YouTube channel after 5-6 years of hard work and creating 170 videos and working day and night to share with you all this data. So we'll just be able to get monetized a little bit. I have no idea how much, but I just want to see this button to be able to activate and push this button to monetize. Okay, but so far so good. I'm very happy with the results towards this end of the year. It was very hard year, but I wish you guys the best, and we'll definitely we'll do one more update towards the new year, which is coming very, very soon. And everybody will enjoy their time, celebrate New Year. I'm wishing everybody peace and love and prosperity and success in the business, and meeting with friends and family around the world. That's a big part which is society needs these days. We definitely need to talk. We need to share the love and beauty to the nature, to the world, to the people. Okay, so that's the part I'm going to be working as well, and wish you guys all the best. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Very, very important. NatureWithAlik YouTube channel. You can always text or call me for your questions and requests at my cell number 323 area code 547-1273. Alik with NatureWithAlik, and looking forward to see you guys all. Storm is starting. I'm blowing away. Bye!